Hey, so this is going to be the video covering the second question in Biweekly 52 contest. This is incremental memory leak. So in this problem, you are given two integers, memory 1 and memory 2, and this represents the available memory in two memory sticks. And every second, things of memory are taken up from the stick with more memory, okay? And if they have the same, it's taken from the first memory. So once neither stick has the amount of memory that's needed, the program will crash. So at the first second, 1 bit of memory will be taken from the stick with more memory, or from stick 1 if it's equal. And then at the second, 2 bits of memory are taken away, and etc. And so you're supposed to return after how many seconds will it crash, and how many bits of memory are available in the first stick and the second stick at the time of the crash. So while this problem may seem a little bit difficult to figure out where to start at first, it's actually really simple. You can just simulate exactly what happens second by second, and then just return the results after the simulation. So this is the solution right here, which was actually really easy to write during the contest because, as you can see, it's not complicated at all. Like the first one, which was like sorting the sentence, it took like 15 minutes, but this one took like 5, because you can just simulate it. So I start off at the first second, and so memory 1 minus seconds will be, if that's greater than 0 or equal to 0, that means I can take bits from memory 1, because at every second you can take bits away from memory 1 and memory 2. And same thing with memory 2. So if I can take bits away from either of them, then first I check this condition. So if memory 1 is greater than or equal to memory 2, then I know I can just do memory 1 and I can subtract the number of bits that I need to take away from it. And this works because here I checked to see if either of them have like enough space. And so if one of them has enough space, then I know if it goes into this if loop, I know memory 1 must have enough space because it's greater than or equal to memory 2. So one of them has enough space here, so once I come in here I can just subtract it. And the reason why I subtract it when it's greater than or equal to is because it says I bits of memory are allocated to the stick with more available memory, or from the first memory if both have the same memory. So this at the second, this variable here, essentially I'm taking that much memory up in memory 1, so I subtract that. And otherwise, so this is not true, I just take away from the second memory stick, pretty self-explanatory, and then I increment the second. So I move on to the next second. So I'm just basically simulating every second. And then whenever it runs into time where at this second I don't have enough memory in either stick, then it'll break out here. And since this wants when the program will crash and the memory left after the crash, we can just perfectly return this second, because at this second neither of these statements are true. So this is the second when it crashes, and I can just return the amount of memory left in memory 1 and memory 2 because of subtracting. And yeah, so I guess I'll just submit it. It works, and it's actually pretty fast, which I was surprised by, because I thought I'm just simulating it. It's probably not going to be that fast, but it's actually quite fast, pretty much as fast as you can get it, which I guess that's just how you're supposed to solve the problem, which I mean, I don't know, they called it medium, but it was a pretty trivial problem, so in my opinion. So yeah, that's it for incremental memory leak. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.